if you're not sure what Kapalbhati and the precautions and the huge amount of benefits that Kapalbhati can bring to your body, I would suggest that you look at the link at the bottom of the video, and there you will find that video. We are building up on our Kapalbhati. So I would suggest that you have a tissue because it is clearing the skull. So there is always some mucus. We also going to be balancing the Ida and the Pingala, the feminine and the masculine energies. We're going to be creating the awareness on the left nostril. This is where the feminine side sits, the yin, the blue, all those feminine aspects, the creativity, the intuitiveness, all of this is sitting on your left-hand side, and which affects your right brain. And then we're going to be using the right nostril, which is the masculine energies, the red, the warm, the active, the logical, the analytical, the mathematical side, which is affecting the left brain. So to start with, let's just come into that space of centering and getting ready for our Kapalbhati. So make sure that you are sitting up nice and tall and just release the body. Close the eyes for a few moments. Tune into yourself. Now I'm sitting on a blanket, but make sure you can sit on a bolster, you can sit on a chair, but please check that you are not creating a closed chest, that the spine is nice and erect. Check in, notice your breathing. If you need to sigh out tension, sigh it out through the mouth. We bottle so much up, just let it go. Notice that your belly expands as you breathe in, and the navel contracts to spine as you breathe out. So we've got our breathing going. Let's do just 10 pumps of your Kapalbhati. I'm going to do the counting, so you sit comfortably on your mat wherever you are. Let's do the 10 together. Start with just a regular exhalation. Get all the toxins out. And just release the shoulders. Right, let's do this. How did that go? So you could stay with just doing 10 pumps with 2 breaths in between 5 times. But we are building on, like I said. So we're going to use the Nasarga hand mudra, which is used for alternate nostril breathing, Nadi shodhana. So we're going to bring our hands, fold the index finger and the middle finger towards the palm of your hand. Here again, I'm going to be doing the counting. And your thumb is going to be on your right hand side and your ring finger on the left hand side. Now I know there are lots of schools that say you can use your left hand. I was taught always on the right. So for those that are left-handed, sorry, you can choose to use your left hand or just use your right. Alright, so let's do this. We are just going to breathe in and out of the left nostril only 10 times using Kapalbhati. Take a breath out. Right. Just release it. You might find a little lightheaded. It's like an oxygen high. Let's do another breath. And we're going to block off the left nostril and do it through the right. take 2 regular breaths. So now we're ready for the alternate nostril part of the breathing practice. And this might take a little while because sometimes you feel that you've actually got a manual change your brain. So let's do this. Right, let's give it a bash at least. So take a breath out. When you're ready, breathe in through the left nostril. Pump it out to the right. Breathe it in through the right nostril. And pump it out to the left. So let's speed that up a little bit further. And you release it. As you can see, it does take a little practice. So to create a round, we would do 10 breaths, pumps in and out through the left nostril, and here you could actually connect to your feminine energies, and then you go over and connect to your right, which is your masculine, and then we bring it all together, so we're just balancing out the inner and pingala, the nadis as well. So you would do 10 pumps to 10 sequences, and that would be a round. So those 3 would create one round. The aim is actually to be able to do 5 rounds of those 3 breathing patterns. But at any time, if you feel too lightheaded, please stop. And just remember, it is not a bus clicker. It is a slower inhalation, which is passive, and a strong exhalation that is active. So please, if you like the video, subscribe. From a beautiful winter's day in Elgin, South Africa, from my heart to yours.